Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree. We have another digital SAT math type of a question. Let's solve it together. Which of the following is equivalent to x plus 3 squared minus 9x squared? This is so cliche question, but you need to know the basic formula. A plus b squared is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So calculate x plus 3 squared. First term squared is x squared plus 2 times x times 3 plus 3 squared is 9. So if you will simplify this, x squared plus 6x plus 9. So is this the final answer? No, because what are we gonna do? We're gonna do the rest of the problem. Take away 9x squared from this. If you will take away 9x squared, you can only deal with this term. Do you see that? They are the like terms. X squared minus negative 9x squared or minus 9x squared is negative 8x squared plus 6x plus 9, which is the choice C is the answer for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or comment, you can always leave it below. Until next time, see you. Bye-bye.